problem with Jeffrey. He diabetic, diagnosed with diabetic, take metformin for a little bit time. He got a problem with him stabilizing blood sugar. So yeah, we gone on Facebook, we search, kind of look to, we come across powerful herbal medicine. We decided to give him a try, contacting mo kata through WhatsApp. Response ko kata quick. So we take him medicine for diabetes. Now we finishing those. We realizing blood sugar stable around me for a little bit. Recover. Yes, me after me taken dose from powerful herbal, blood sugar blooming and come down stable, 5.36. So level and result was me basically was a normal man na. So I think if you like give it a try, contact him on Facebook or WhatsApp. Go visit him page Rota, look for his Selera, and contact him on WhatsApp. We recommend him on WhatsApp because we've been trying to start something but have no help too much until we casting group and stand enjoy life a little bit more. So isa na yung scam. By if you contact him, get in touch with him, by realizing what not to do for you. So yes, give them a call.
When is stable?
Me stay low Henderson naman. Thank you.